Hi, this is Ben Myers from Ben Myers International Movie Critics. Tonight we're going to talk about the Singapore film Soft Rain. Soft Rain is a 2021 film released to the Dublin International Short Film and Music Festival, Dublin, Ireland. Ben Myers' rating is 4 out of 5 stars. This drama stop-motion animated short film is about a depressed man gets ready for his day and heads to the bus stop. And the story is on. Did you buy this ticket? Yes, buy that ticket. This is a good film and worth watching with great stop-motion animation. This has been Myers. Have a great entertainment weekend.